Numerous studies suggest that winning a woman's affection becomes more achievable when one can effectively stimulate the most delicate areas of her mind. This video delves into the sophisticated psychological tactics employed by seduction masters to attract any woman, providing insight into penetrating her subconscious through skillful manipulation of its most vulnerable points. Don't miss a moment off this material, especially as the last trick revealed offers a quick and easy way to access her mind. Let's proceed to uncover these techniques. The initial trick involves applying the Benjamin Franklin effect multiple times. This psychological phenomenon, named after Benjamin Franklin, suggests that increasing attraction to a woman can be achieved by asking her for a small favor. The second trick involves prolonged eye contact, a technique shown to influence how others feel about us. Maintaining eye contact for about 3.5 seconds can create a deep connection, making her feel special and dizzying furtherating. The third trick emphasizes the power of repeating her name, a seemingly simple gesture that can leave a remarkable impact. By mentioning and remembering her name in conversation, you establish familiarity and trustworthiness. The fourth trick, contagious positivity, involves using smiles to gain a woman's sympathy. Smiling at her triggers a positive emotional response, imprinting an image of you as a positive, attractive, and desirable person. The chameleon effect. The fifth trick suggests mirroring the behavior of the woman you're interested in. Unconsciously imitating her gestures and actions can intensify the sense of connection. The sixth move involves subtle physical contact, acknowledging the role of touch in strengthening the bond between two people. Targeting areas like shoulders, forearms, lower back, and waist can speed up the development of the relationship, making her laugh. The seventh trick is scientifically proven to connect with a woman's psyche. A sense of humor increases attraction and associates pleasure with your presence. The eighth trick underscores the importance of showing confident self-confidence. Acting according to your own standards makes you more attractive and valuable in her eyes. The Lisberg tip effect. The ninth trick highlights the significance of the first impression. Maximizing the positive impression you leave can shape her perception of you. Lastly, the 10th tip emphasizes the power of posture. Maintaining a powerful posture, whether standing or sitting, communicates confidence and security, making it easier for her to open up. We appreciate your dedication in watching this video. If you found these tips valuable, consider sharing them with those who may benefit. Share your perspective in the comment section, as knowledge thrives when shared. Comment.